Knowing who's behind a company is an important part of knowing who to hire. So I'm here with Gene Bryant, owner of Window World, to share the company story. Gene, I know you have a long history with Window World, but that's not where you started.
No, actually, we started as custom home builders. My father was a builder, and my brother's now a builder. My father is actually still building custom homes. So I started out in the custom home building company and did that for about 10 or 12 years. Built a lot of big custom homes.
And is that where you ran across Window World?
It actually is. I actually had a customer who had seen a Window World commercial. I was a little skeptical. Their prices seemed a little low. But we had them come out and we kind of let them put on their sales performance pitch there for my customer. And I watched the whole process and actually looked at the window and realized it really was a nice window, and especially for the price.
I love that you came at it from the skeptical standpoint, from the trying to protect your consumer, and fell in love with the window.
Exactly. Well, in that industry, a lot of times things can be really high pressure. So I wanted to kind of be there to protect them in a way. And I ended up actually working out a deal with them and using them in a lot of our houses that we built.
And eventually you were asked to become a part of Window World.
I was. In 2009, they asked us if we would like to manage a store for them in upstate New York, and we accepted. And then we moved on out to San Diego. They gave us an opportunity for our own franchises, where we now have San Diego County, Orange County, and also LA County as well.
Now, the key players in the company, I know there's 4 of you. It's you, your wife Karen, who I love working with her, and there's 2 other members that really kind of run the company.
They're the important ones, and that's Darby and Riley. If you see our commercials, you see them on our commercials a lot of times. They sell a lot of windows.
Yeah, the dogs are collies, right?
They are. They're actually Shetland sheepdogs.
Shetland sheepdogs.
Yep.
And in the wraps of your vehicles, you have their images, and you actually have people think that the dogs are in the car with you.
They are. They're actually on the exterior of all of our service trucks, all of our vehicles, and they look like they're in the windows, and it's actually just part of the wrap.
That's great. Now, you talked about savings as a part of why you chose to go with Window World and a part of the company. You have a savings offer for people. What is that today?
We do. It's 5 premium windows and a patio slider for $38.19 installed. Wow. Which, if you think about it, a lot of times you're paying $3,000 to $4,000 just for the door. We're giving you 5 windows and a door for $38.19.
That is a tremendous, tremendous savings. If people don't recognize it, it is a huge savings. Thanks, Gene. If you want to work with people who are wonderful and to get a great price, call Window World today.